Alright, so we've done a credit memo here for Jackson Company, and now we need to continue on. On June 6th, Jackson Company completely pays its bill and receives a discount. So let's first do the T accounts here for Jackson Company. First of all, how much does Jackson Company owe? I can calculate this in just a minute here. Let me see here. How much does Jackson Company owe? They owed $357, but then we deducted $40 for that credit memo, and now they owe $317. This is how much they owe, except they're also going to receive a discount. So what's going to happen here is that accounts receivable is going to go down by this amount right here. Accounts receivable is going to be reduced by $317. $17, that's D. However, there's a discount here. If we remember, the terms for Jackson were 210, net 30. So this guy's going to get a 2% discount here because he paid in a timely manner. So then we go to my calculator again. 317 times 2%. And I'm going to get my calculator to actually do that for me. 317 times 2% is $6.34. So we'll say, and this is going to be it's going to go to an account called sales discounts, which works in much the same way as sales returns and allowances. So I'm going to go here to my income statement, show you that. I've got sales and then sales returns and allowances and then discounts. This is also a contra asset, much like sales returns and allowances, which I'm going to deduct from my sales account. So let me mark that on my list of things here. So I think I've closed that actually. Yeah, Chapter 9 topics. This is sales discounts for early payment. This is also a contra revenue account. That's how that one works. So I've got this sales discounts here, and this one here, accounts receivable is being credited, and this is going to be transaction E, and sales discounts is going to be debited for $6. Well, if I gave him a $6 discount and he paid me and he owed $317, well, what does that mean for how much he actually paid me? Let's see here. 317 minus 6. Minus 6. 317 minus 6. 317 minus 6. There it is. Oh, that's not it. 317 minus 6 equals 311. That's how much that's how much my cash actually increased. 311. So what happened is he owed me $317, but I gave him a 2% discount. I gave him this $6 is that 2% discount, and then he actually paid me $311. So let me show you that on the General Journal, and in some ways it's actually clearer on the General Journal. You can see more what's going on over here. So let me see here. The date on this one is June the 6th. So here's my date, June 6th. My cash is increasing. Finally, I've got some cash. My accounts receivable is decreasing. He owes me less money now. And actually, cash increases. My accounts receivable, I'll need to actually, before I do this one here, I'll need to put the sales discounts, because that's also a debit. So sorry about that. Sales discounts is going to be equal to $6. There's my second debit account, and then accounts receivable, $317. So this is Jackson Company paid his bill and received 2% discount. There is him paying his bill and getting a discount. This is on the 6th. He paid in time. I'm happy. He paid me in a timely manner. So that is this transaction here. Now also on June 17, Holidays Incorporated pays its bill as well. And I'm at the end of this first page of my general journal. I'm sure that that's not going to fit on there. So I'm going to create another general journal page here. And this is going to be on the 15th. So again, let me do the T accounts first, and then we'll do the actual account. T accounts on this one is, first of all, June 15, Holidays Incorporated pays its bill. And this one here, we can see what that bill is. It's $250 plus 5%. It's this transaction C right here. So this is how much he owes me, and he pays it in full. So this is going to reduce my accounts receivable by that amount, $26,250. And notice Jim gave this company the same terms as what we'd had in the same terms. See that right here. 210 net 30. If he'd paid earlier, he'd pay it on the 6th like Jackson Company, he would have received a discount. But this is more than 10 days out. He just missed that window. So he doesn't get the discount. He has to pay in full. So this is going to reduce my accounts receivable and increase my cash. Transaction F. Do that here. Cash. That increases. $262.50. See that account? There's the amount. And my spreadsheet is kindly rounding for me. You have to stop that. And then you've got accounts receivable. $262.50. Alright. And that brings us to the end of the problem. And I need to write a description for this one as well. This is and actually that got on the wrong side there. Put that my debits should equal my credits. There's my answer. I've now done all these transactions for my problem. I still need to record and post transactions and prepare a schedule of accounts receivable, and that will happen in upcoming videos.